Hello everyone, welcome back to my Chinese class. I'm Jeff. As we all know that Putonghua is a good general language of a nation, and it's much easier for foreigners to learn Chinese efficiently. Now, this class, I will share you the useful solution to Putonghua, that is, Pinyin, a Chinese written in English. Have you ever heard of Pinyin? Yes, correct. It's very useful. Yes. It is the transcriptions of Mandarin Chinese into Roman letters. It was reformed in 1958, making it easier for foreigners to study the language without having to learn the thousands of ideograms. You know that ideograms is very hard to recognize, to read, to understand the meaning, right? Furthermore, I will give you another corresponding systems to be used to pronounce the words, the characters, okay? I call it Pinyin-like pronouncing method, that's specially designed for foreigners to use, just like the pronunciations of English. Okay, you're familiar with English, right? Do you remember the examples me? Yes, in the last lesson we say me. Me, okay? I type here. First is the character me, and second is pinyin, mi, mai, me, and the third is my systems. Okay, first m, e, okay, double e, we pronounce e. Okay, mai, me, mai, me. So it's sounds the same of first character and the second pinyin, so we know it me. In this lesson, in the following lessons, we will use my systems to help you to pronounce the good and the correct pronunciations. So take care. At the same time, I will type the standard pinyin. You can read it both. But first, my systems is very efficiently. Okay, very quick ones. Okay, you can know it. Now let's have a list. What a list? Okay, how the 26 English letters are pronounced when they used in Chinese words. Most of them are pronounced very much like they are in English. At the same time, I will give you the word, some word in which the letters or group of letters make the standard pronunciations. You can read it out correctly and remember them easily. Let's begin. First, ah, okay, the letter A. Ah, pronounce ah. Number 2, b. English letter B. 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 In the words box, 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 or bottle, bottle. Okay. Number 3, English letter C, just like TS in the letters in the words. Okay. Fats, fats, cats, cats. Number 4, the letter D, and the word is dog, or dog, dog, or dog, or dog. Next is similar to the letters ER or OR. Okay, in the word is doctor, doctor, or per, per. Okay. Next one is F. Okay, Jeff. In English word fish or fact, or in my given name Jeff. Jeff. Next one is G. Similar to G in the words girl, girl, or gate. Gate. Next one is okay. Similar to H in the word ha, ha, ha ha, ha ha, very happy, ha ha, or hat, your hat, okay. Happy, very happy, okay. Happy. Next one is E. E. The letter is I and pronounced just like English letters E in the words easy. EA pronounce E, okay? Easy. Easy. B. B. B-E-E. B, okay? E-E, double E, pronounced E. You know that. So, but E, B. Next one is G. G. G, just like J-E-E, English letters in the word Jeep. Jeep. G. G. Okay. Next one is K. K. Like the K, letter K in the word kit. Kate. K-A-K. Kate. K-A-K. Kit. Kit. Next one is L. 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 Same as the English word. Okay, love. You love me, I love you. Love. Okay, we love the nature. We love the world. Okay, love. Love. Or we can use the word look. 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 Next one is more. More. The English letter M. Same as the English words, we can put it into English words mock. Or music. 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 Okay. Now similar to the letters N in the word no. No. And nice. Another word, nice. It's a very nice one. Okay. Or night. Next one is O. The English letters O, okay, in the word ox. Box. Fox. Okay. Next one is poor. English letter P in the words pay. Pay. Pillow. Pit. Next one is ch. English letter Q. Sounds like cheese. Okay, chi. CH pronounce ch. Double E. Okay, chi. Cheese. Okay, another word is cheap. Very cheap. Cheap. Next one is in the word we pronounce a r or the same as English words rocket. Rocket or rap. Okay. Next one is S. Okay. English letter S. Same as English words seek. Seek. Socket. Socket. Next one is T. English letter T. Okay. Has a T sound. For example, in the words take. English word take. Take. Or token. Or moment. Okay. Moment. Next one is U. Okay. The English letter U, just like double O in English. oo, okay. Oops, 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 or hook, hook, hook. Next one is English letter W. We also pronounced oo, oo. We put it in front of the pinyin, in front of the words, so it's pronounced oo, okay? Just like water, water, water always appear in front of another word. For example, word, work. Next one is sh, x, letter X, pronounced sh, she. In English word is sheep, sheep, or shop, shop, or ship, ship. Okay, ship, sh pronounced ship, ship. Okay. Next one is e. The English letter Y pronounced E is in front of the word, okay? E in the letter in the words is yes, yes, or York, New York, York, okay? Or York. Last one is letter Z. We pronounced Z, ds, okay? Ds, Z in the words heads, birds, or heights, okay? Heights, ds, z. Okay, until now we have learned the pronunciation of 26 English words in Pinyin. What do you feel? Okay, you can type your comments in the following comment area. I suppose you keep the list above for looking up in the following days. It's really helpful for your pronunciation. Have you got it? Okay, that's all for today. I'm Jeff. Welcome back to join us. I hope too you can be our friends and in the same group we can sharing more about the ideas of the language. Thank you. See you next time. Bye bye.